I'm going to try out the Roll and Go versus my Modified Travel Lint Roller. I've also used a doll pin to do my hair. These, you get a big bag of them at Michael's or other craft stores like that. And that gives me this nice little tiny pin curl right here. But we're not using that today. We're using the Roll and Go and my Modified Travel Lint Roller. I'm parting my hair with my rat tail comb I got from Sally's. My hair is 2 days unwashed and it's previously styled, as you can see. First, let's try the Modified Lint Roller. And I just drag it to the end of my hair, wrap it around, and I'm starting to roll. And smoothing out as I go. This is the tool that I've been using for over a year now because I was using hair rats and all sorts of other things to try to get that nice barrel. But I was finding I didn't really care for the way they looked and they weren't tight enough or just kind of felt wonky. But this is what worked for me. And there it is, one roll. And I'm pushing it down in the back because I want to close the barrel. Now, I'm going to use the Roll and Go tool. That is something I actually found on Amazon while I was looking for vintage hair styling tools. Let's see, I'm going to use the smaller barrel of the Roll and Go. So with the Roll and Go, it's different for me because I have to, instead of putting my hair around the barrel, my hair actually has to go through. You can see it has to go through the prongs, and you still wrap it around. And you want to hold your Roll and Go here, not here. This is too bendy. This is fine. So I'm doing the same thing I did on the other side. I'm incorporating whatever hair falls out. Now I've got my hair in there pretty well, nice and tight. I'm going to take this hand and I'm going to hold this in place, and I'm going to pull the Roll and Go out. So there it is, the Roll and Go's out. Hold my barrel in place, push my pins through, and I use as many pins as I need, and some days I need more pins. Some days I'm good. And I'm pushing the back down. I didn't wrap my hair on either of these, as you saw, because I don't like to wrap my hair. I have fine hair. And when I wrap fine hair, it tends to just make my hair damaged and nasty looking. And I'm adding some pins now to the back because I feel like I need a little extra hold. And closing the barrel. I'm going to take this U-shaped pin that I have, and I'm going to use the U-shaped pin and close off the bigger barrel. And there it is. Here's the back. Now, as far as how I feel about the tools I used, the Roll and Go and my Travel Lint Roller hack, I think they both work equally as fantastic. This I like because it has two different barrel sizes, and I think it's probably about the same length actually. I thought it might be a little bit longer than this one, but two different barrel sizes. I like that. I like this one because it's easier to travel with. And this one, if you travel with it, you have to be careful with it because it's bendy, it's flexible, and you don't want to just toss that in your makeup bag. This I can toss in my makeup bag. And I only paid $1 for this because I got it at the dollar store and I modified it for doing my hair. But they both work equally as awesome and just as fast. So you don't need to make a big investment on your hair tools. You can buy a Roll and Go. You can buy a bag of doll pins, or you can buy a travel lint roller and modify it and use that. I've even used a tube of lipstick to roll my hair around. Okay, I hope this gives you guys some ideas and some inspiration. And post below in the comments what you have used before to do your victory rolls. How have you done these? I would love to know. Bye.